Okay.
Hi, and welcome to the call. My name is Sandra Bearden. Welcome to this introduction of the Perfect Officiant. In this course, you will learn how to be the perfect officiant. It's not about being perfect, but about delivering a quality ceremony with superior service. So let's get started. Why take this course? Well, I learned how to be an officiant all by myself. I was self-trained. It was very scary and I made lots of mistakes. Several years ago, I took the ordination course through the Metaphysical University thinking that I would learn more about being an officiant. In fact, I learned very little about doing weddings. Instead, I learned about metaphysics. So, I decided to create this course to make it easier for you so you don't have to make the same mistakes I did. In fact, I learned so much that now I realize you also need personal development and business courses to complete your training. Eventually, this course will incorporate much of that. This course will be given to you in modules. Each module will be on a specific topic related to wedding ceremonies. When I first started to put this course together, it was obvious to me that I needed to start at the beginning, just like a new officiant. I had questions and concerns about officiating in my state and so many other things when I was new to this business. So, to help you and to have fun, each module has been broken down into topics that you should find interesting. Each module will contain the lessons, valuable tips, stories, and some self-test questions. Although I'm still in the process of creating some of the modules, it looks like there will be between 10 and 12 of them. So, we have taken some time in our previous presentation to figure out when we're going to meet. And I believe we're going to meet every Sunday. This next Sunday it will be at 6:30. So that's January 27th at 6:30. And in the weeks following that, it'll probably be at 4 unless there's some conflict. So we'll figure that out. But don't worry about that. I just want you to know that your participation is valuable, and we need your participation. So don't worry if you miss a class. It will be recorded, just like this one is. When you have participated in this course, one of the things that's very important are the Q&A sessions. Q&A sessions will happen at the end of each one of these courses or each one of the modules, and you'll get a chance to ask questions that will help everyone who's on the call. Finally, at the end of the modules, I'm going to be asking everyone for testimonials regarding the course. And those testimonials will be placed on the website and will help others make a decision about whether or not they want to take this class. Finally, feedback in general regarding this particular process and how it worked for you. So a little bit more about the modules. Here's what you're going to be learning. Module 1, definitions you need to know. Module 2, how to get ordained and some states that you need to know more information about. Module 3, what makes a perfect wedding officiant so perfect anyhow? Number 4, starting your business. Number 5, how to conduct an efficient wedding rehearsal. Number 6, conducting the perfect rehearsal, the perfect ceremony. Number 7, fees and what is appropriate to charge. Module 8, troubleshooting issues. Module 9, the importance of contracts. Module 10, resources. Module 11, suggested sample forms. And Module 12 will be an online live discussion of how the course was beneficial to you, questions you may have. It'll be on any subject that just happens to come up. It's going to be a live discussion. So each one of these sessions will be recorded in an MP3 that you can go back and listen to again and again. And in fact, I welcome you to go back to the Perfect Officiant website from time to time because there will be videos, MP3s, and interviews with industry professionals to help you up your game. Some of those industry professionals would be Photographers, for example. You know, they're always telling me that I should step aside when a couple kisses so that I'm not in the picture. Good advice. So, things like that. In addition, brides will come to find a certified perfect officiant, and I'm sure you'll want your name listed in the state where you are located so that they can find you. Here's how you will benefit. You will benefit in ways that you cannot imagine. First of all, the cost of the class is only $97, and that's because you're part of this beta group. This special will only be going on until March 31st. So if you want to participate and pay for this session, you go to www.perfectofficiant.com and register to pay the $97. When you do that, you'll be asked a few questions so that we can create a profile for you, and then you'll be sent to PayPal to pay. Because the My Beta group fee is so very low, I need your assistance to do this right, so that when the actual modules go live on the website, your valuable input will allow me to create the very best training program possible. And like I said earlier, you're going to benefit in ways that you cannot imagine. So thank you very much for your participation on the call today, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye-bye.